Hello, Rich here. Today I'm at the Trinity River Audubon Center. It's in the south part of Dallas. It is something to see. Let's check it out. I would like to offer a trail description to help you plan your trip. There are several trails, bridges, boardwalks, and unique features in bird blinds, small ponds, and lakes. A variety of topography, open fields, marshes, wetlands, a full tree canopy sections, and really enough for a really good day hike. The trails are well marked. They're very informative. They have kiosks that help you learn along the way. There's information boards, maps to support your hike as you explore and hopefully learn a few new things. For the most part, the trails are crushed granite, or there's some grass trail sections, the boardwalks and bridges. This location certainly does have a lot to offer. There is an interesting history tucked underneath the land that is now called the TRAC. It used to be a huge illegal dump site called the Deepwood Landfill. Construction debris, chemicals, and medical waste. All that changed when a legal battle forced a cleanup with oversight by the National Audubon Society. Over time, the land healed and native grasses returned and wetlands emerged, forest habitat was restored, transforming the abused land into a thriving ecosystem just waiting for you to explore. It is a remarkable history. The TRAC does represent a trash to treasure success story showing how environmental restoration can become a valuable community resource. The TRAC, located along a section of the Trinity River, has really cool features including observation decks, bird blinds, a bug bungalow where it is an intentional breeding ground for insects, long boardwalks, bird habitats, bird blinds, wildflower fields, picnic areas, pretty much everything you need for an excellent day's hike. Don't rush back to a busy life after your hike until you absorb what the center has to offer. Of course, there's restrooms and water, informative galleries, meeting spaces, and more. During the day that I was there was a student art show I was thrilled to experience, and I did want to share some of that with you here. The Trinity River Audubon Center is a terrific place for a hike, and I hope to see you on the trail soon. Thanks for watching.